my channel, and I'm not going to talk for a long time because I want to just get right into the video, but I wanted to tell you that my mom and I went to the store the other day, and I had told her I wanted to find a few things for spring to decorate my room because I love decorating for seasons and for holidays. So we went in the store and I picked out something like that was like $1 really cheap, and I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna get these. So then I go in another aisle and I come back and she has all the stuff in the cart, and I was kind of like, what are you doing? And she said she wanted to buy me stuff to decorate my room, and I was so thankful. I know you're watching this, Mom, so I wanted to say thank you for all of the cute, pretty decorations that you got for me to decorate my room for Easter. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the items now. I will be doing a room tour after this video as well to show you how I set it all up. So I hope you enjoy watching this. So starting off, I have this wooden plaque from Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe they had something this nice for only $1, and I loved the little cotton ball tails on the bunnies. I think they are so cute. Next I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these adorable bunny plates that I couldn't pass up. While I'm going to be using these as display only, I did want to mention that they are food safe and able to go in the dishwasher and microwave, just in case any of you are interested. I also found this little ceramic cross that says, "He has risen just as he said," in gold lettering. While I do love the colorful bunny and the chick items, I also wanted to get something that incorporated my faith, so this item seemed perfect for that. Lastly, I got 2 of these burlap hanging banners. I think they call it bunting, and I'm going to be hanging one on each side of my room. I like the different colors and the patterns that each flag has, and it reminded me of painted Easter eggs with dots and stripes. Okay, moving on to Michael's now. These are the 2 things I picked out initially before getting anything else. They're tiny cotton balls that have been made into chicks and bunnies, and oh my goodness, they are so adorable. They were on sale for only $1 each pack, so that was a no-brainer to get. So here starts all of the things my mom put in the cart to get, and you can clearly see why these were in there. They are just, like, I can't even describe how cute these are. The little pig and chick, and I think it's a sheep, and they all have their little bunny ears on, and I can't even stand how cute these are. Wicker type of animal we found was this mama bunny pushing her baby bunny in a wheelbarrow with flowers, and again, it's so sweet. These wicker animals are probably my most favorite items that we found in our haul.